Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Follicle Activator 3.0 Hair Regrowth Serum. Now, you might be wondering what is the Follicle Activator 3.0 that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, the Follicle Activator 3.0 is a hair growth device designed to support thicker, fuller looking hair. Now, according to the official website, it combines red light therapy, gentle scalp massage, and vibration, and natural hair oils such as chebe, camellia oil, and the company states that these features are intended to cleanse the scalp, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce scalp stress, and activate dormant hair follicles. Now, how do you exactly use this device here? Now, according to their website here, to use it, you first need to remove the cap and fill the device with your preferred natural hair oil. Press the power button to activate the red light therapy and scalp massage, then gently press the rubber cap to release a few drops of oil directly into or onto your scalp. You want to move the device across the scalp using circular motions or like a comb, making sure it stays in contact with the scalp. Now, the manufacturer recommends focusing on thinning edges, bald spots, and areas prone to breakage. Now, each treatment should last for about like 10 minutes with use recommended 5 times per week. Afterwards here, you want to leave the oil on the scalp here for at least 30 minutes. Then follow the normal hair washing routine. Now, the website also recommends avoiding shampoo and conditioners containing sulfates or silicones here. Now, the company claims users may see improvements on hair or in hair loss within 2 weeks and new hair growth within 30 days, and describes each device as suitable for men and women of different ages and hair types. It also advertises 60-day money-back guarantees and a free worldwide shipping. These are manufacturer claims, so if you try visiting their website and click on the shop follicle activator here, you'll be able to see those details here. As you can see, they do provide worldwide shipping. Now, in this case, in simpler terms though, the Follicle Activator 3.0 is a scalp treatment device that combines oil application, massage, vibration, and red light therapy into a single routine for hair growth support. Now, since this is a product intended for hair loss and scalp concerns, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is recommended, especially if you're experiencing significant or persistent hair loss here, or even some pain around the skin and your scalp. Now, if you're interested with this one, you can actually buy one for $49.75 as of this moment, discounted from the original price, $89.95. But then again, doing your own research, checking reviews outside and inside the website is highly recommended, just to make sure that you're getting the best out of your purchase. But that's about it. So, for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.